You've got AI down pat. You can get ChatGPT to write anything you want. Images? You can whip those up in seconds. You're more knowledgeable about AI than most folks around you. But when you look at your bank balance, it doesn't quite match your skills. You keep seeing stories of people cashing in with AI. Passive income stream, side gigs, automation magic. It all seems pretty daunting, feels time-consuming, and just a bit overwhelming. What if it's not as complicated as it seems? What if you don't need to learn a new tool, but instead, change how you use what you know? In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple AI side gigs that can actually pay off. No coding required, no huge startup expenses, just smart setups that let your AI skills earn money. Think of it as setting up a vending machine. You do the work once, and it keeps reaping rewards. Let's jump into the easiest one. AI side hustle. Number 1, selling prompt packs. Guess what? You're already doing this every day. Creating prompts, testing out different prompts, refining them. But currently, you're not capitalizing on that value. Newbies struggle to communicate with AI. Businesses are too busy to tinker around. They want quick results. Enter prompt packs. You gather your best prompts and bundle them for specific audiences. YouTube creators, real estate agents, fitness trainers, small biz owners. Instead of a single prompt, offer a whole system. Once you create it, export it as a PDF or Notion file. Then upload it to Gumroad or Etsy. Your file can keep selling over and over. No need for customer calls. No revisions to tackle. No extra work necessary. Some creators even build full libraries of prompt packs. Others use them as a starter product and upsell consulting services. You're monetizing the knowledge you already have. AI side hustle number 2, affiliate marketing with AI tools. When you recommend an AI tool, you're essentially marketing for free. Affiliate marketing changes that game. You sign up for affiliate programs tied to tools you already love. They hand you a unique link. When someone signs up using that link, you earn a commission. With many AI tools, commissions are often recurring. This means a single recommendation can pay you each month. You're not pushing sales. You're providing knowledge. Create a YouTube video. Make a quick tutorial. Write a comparison blog post. Your content can stay online for years, attracting attention, producing clicks, generating commissions. This model scales well because effort doesn't necessarily rise with your income. If this video is changing how you see AI, give it a like. It signals YouTube that this content deserves a wider audience. And drop a comment. What's your go-to AI tool right now? Let's keep it rolling. AI side hustle. Number 3, creating digital products with AI. Writing, designing, formatting. AI cuts down on most of that hassle. ChatGPT can help draft content. Image generators produce visuals. Canva puts everything together into sleek templates. You're not starting from scratch. You're enhancing and polishing. Workout planners, business templates, Notion dashboards, checklists, guides. Once uploaded on places like Etsy or Gumroad, they can sell automatically. Each sale may be small, but the volume can build up quickly. And the best part? You can bundle products, boost perceived value, increase prices without additional work. This is what leveraging looks like. AI side hustle number 4, creating a faceless media channel. But want to skip the camera time? No personal branding, no pressure. You don't need any of that. AI voices narrate them. AI-generated visuals bring it all together. You schedule your videos. Let the algorithms handle the rest. You earn through ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. If you stop working, your income stops too. AI side hustle number 5. Creating business AI services. Clear price, quick delivery. AI voiceovers. Thumbnail packs. Chatbots for local businesses. Automation. Repeatable workflows. Maintenance charges. Ongoing optimization efforts. Earn from AI affiliate marketing. Create AI-driven digital products. Establish faceless media channels. Or scale with productized services. But systems act as the vehicle. You can start getting paid this week, but it won't stay open forever. Now you got the game plan. Which one are you diving into?